would you suggest our audience do if they do feel what you are saying that they might have been doing right now?
Go to a doctor. A good doctor. A compassionate family doctor who cares. Someone who's going to sit and listen to you and get to the bottom of your situation and find out what's going on. And will refer you to a specialist if needs be. Or will have the skill to offer medication if it's needed, or advice for therapy, counseling, whatever. You've got to find a professional in that field who's going to listen to you and find out what's going on.
To the parents and guardians of our audiences, and to those that do not believe in mental health disorders, thinking that it's only, oh, my son, my daughter, they're not doing well today, so I'll just let them rest. What would you suggest them do instead?
Anyone who says they don't believe in mental health disorders, they're just simply wrong. It's like saying, I don't believe in the flu, or I don't believe you can break your leg. It's just an absurd argument. There is no evidence anywhere to suggest that mental health disorders don't exist. If as a parent you have a child who you suspect might be going through, we're not just talking about a kid who wakes up one day and just doesn't want to go to school because they're a bit grumpy or, that happens to every kid, right? But if you start to suspect there's something going on with your child that is not quite normal, there are changes in behaviour, things like this, you've got to talk to your kid first. You've got to, parents, you've got to find out what's going on. And, if you can, and if you suspect that what my child is telling me is beyond what I actually understand and I'm not sure what to do, go and see a medical professional. There's no shame in having a mental health disorder. This is one of the big problems with the mental health issue, is the stigma that's attached to it. He's got a mental health disorder, he's crazy, no. Actually, depression and anxiety are actually very common afflictions among some of the most intelligent people on the planet. The two things that, for some strange reasons, often go hand in hand. There's nothing wrong, there's nothing crazy, there's nothing bad about a child or any person suffering with a mental health issue. Just like anything else in the body can go wrong, so can the mind. So, just go and see a good doctor, talk it through, work it out. These things can be solved. Sometimes even a good conversation with a doctor. Some people will just go on a bit of an exercise program, they'll start maybe doing some different things. These things also are good. Diet, doctors will talk about, healthy eating and actually maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's very good for the mind as well. There's no one-size-fits-all solution to any of this stuff. But to any parent, or to anyone in fact, if you've got a friend, if you've got a colleague, who you worry, you think there's something going on that's not right, that person's down, there's something in their mind that I'm not comfortable with right now, talk to them. And if you can, get that person just to go and sit and talk to a good doctor. The good doctor's going to listen and put you on the right path.